Tornadoes are one of nature's most powerful forces. Picture this: a giant, rotating column of air reaching from a thunderstorm to the ground. That's a tornado for you. These bad boys can spin at over 300 miles per hour. That's faster than a Formula One race car. But how do they form? It all starts with warm, moist air meeting cold, dry air. The warm air rises, cools, and condenses into a thunderstorm. Then a change in wind direction and speed creates a spinning effect. If conditions are just right, this rotation tightens and forms a tornado. Tornadoes can be devastating, but they're also mesmerizing. They can last from a few seconds to over an hour, leaving a trail of destruction in their wake. So next time you hear a tornado warning, take it seriously. Stay safe, stay curious, and keep looking up. Who knows what other wonders the sky has in store?